In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. And in the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. When the solid ground is falling out from underneath my feet, between the black skies and my red eyes, I can barely see. When I realize I've been sold out by my friends and my family.
Not your typical ministry fundraising appeal. This is on behalf of families here in the Upper Keys, teachers that we have working for us. We don't want any parent or any child to have to leave Island Christian School or even have to move out of this area because a hurricane has hit. I'm hearing from a lot of motel operators and some of the bigger motels that they may not be able to open for a year or more. So it's obviously a pretty dire situation. Some businesses will probably never open again. If you go to our Island Community Church website, we have a spot there where you can give, and every penny of whatever you send in will be used to go to hurricane relief, both to our families in our school and then throughout the community. My first obligation, obviously, is to these families and then also to the families of the Keys. Island Community Church has been used as the hurricane shelter here in Islamorada. It's also, we had Marathon deputies stayed in the building, rode the hurricane out right here in our high school building. Our gymnasium is being used right now as a Red Cross shelter, housing people that have lost their homes down in the Lower Keys. And it's going to take us a while to get back to normal, but you can help. And so, again, I feel terrible even having to ask, but if people are asking me all the time, how can we help? What's the best way we can help? And right now, giving is probably the best way to do it. We're a safe bet. In other words, we can make sure that we're using the funds properly and it's going to the right source, and we will make sure that it gets used in a way that will be God honoring, and also will take care of the needs of our families. So thank you so much, and God bless you.
My only hope is to trust you. I trust you, Lord. In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me. In the eye of the storm, you remain in control. In the middle of the war, you guard my soul. You alone are the anchor when my sails are torn. Your love surrounds me in the eye of the storm. Lord, in the eye